Hello, everybody. Good morning, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Just want to quickly go over week 11's objectives and what you are supposed to be doing this week. The first thing you'll see is the residential foundations. Um, PowerPoint, I would like you to check that out, go over it, and take a couple notes on it. It's just going over different types of foundations, the purpose of foundations, and design considerations. Things you need to be aware of in order to continue on with the Habitat for Humanity project. So that's the first thing. Turn in the notes there. Then you've got activity 2.3.5. This is the residential foundation worksheet or activity. And going over that quickly, it just says the types of foundations used in residential construction depend on the type of construction, soil characteristic, flood elevation, frost depth, and local practices. In this activity, you will choose the appropriate foundation type for your affordable housing project, so your Habitat for Humanity home. So basically, you're just going to go through and complete these steps. For example, so you're going to review the new construction guidelines, what types of foundations are allowed and recommended by Habitat for Humanity specifications, what is the approximate frost depth and nozzle, and I have that figure linked there. And then you're going to choose a type of foundation for your exterior walls of your affordable home, and you're going to justify that choice. So 3 steps, easy peasy. Just make sure you go into some explanation for each step. All right, those are the first two. And then the last one is the utility shed design, part 2. So you did part 1 in school, and I recommend that if you are in school, you work on the Revit assignment in school. Work on it in school, and if you don't finish, take it home, and you can upgrade your model at home. I think we should be okay with you all working on the assignment in school and at home. So we'll see if we run into any issues there. If you do not have Revit downloaded, you need to go back and get it downloaded. And we had a bunch of discussion about how to do that. And like as you're going through the process, what you need to submit, because at the very end, or close to the end of getting your Revit account and getting to download the Revit software, you have to verify like you're a student. So you have to give a screenshot of your Skyward profile or like your student ID. So those are all things you need to remember when you're installing Revit. But if you've already have Revit installed, you're good to go. You're going to be working on this assignment in school. I recommend you try doing this first and getting it done first. That way Revit's done and out of the way, and then you can work on these 2 assignments. Okay? So that is what you are working on this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in contact with me. Otherwise, I want you to just focus on these assignments and anything that you might have past due from last week. Hope you guys have a good rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in class.